We're going to be doing the easiest hack for double ombre French nails. You're gonna need a lot of polish for this. Like, this is not the time to skimp on polish, but you need to blend the colors on the plate first. And then you just scrape, scrape, scrape until you get something that looks good. And then you pick it up. If it's not perfect on the first try, it's okay. We're gonna do the exact same thing, but with this plate. And now you're gonna have to go from light to dark in the opposite direction. Yes, I think so. All right, here we go. From here, you just use your speed dry and then you top coat it. It'll help kind of blend in and just kind of smooth the design out a little bit more. So cute and look really good.